Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Beardchanics Garage, and today we are at the Rxyal Crew stand at Modify Live at Snetterton Circuit. So let's dig right in. We are still early, not open to the public yet. That is their stand, and let's go through the cars. Some of them which we haven't seen before. I can't recall seeing that BMW bagged, very nice. You can see we've got barrel, we've got pumpkin as well over there. Ah yes, that is lovely. But yeah, I don't think we've seen it before. Very nice. Next to that we've got a Golf R. This nice big flat exhaust at the rear. Adam's M3 next to that. Little stuff animal in there. Next to that you've got an S3. Obviously love those. Follow. Alright, let's do one row at a time. Oh yeah, so clean that one as well. Over there I've got another A3. Next to the little pumpkin. Oh yeah, those wheels. Alright, bud. Back A5. Follow it there. Right?
Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah.
Not raining yet.
Huh?
It's not raining yet.
No.
Go see how far Johnny put his tongue about a free car.
Golf MK7. Bowler wheels.
I feel like
You can follow there. At the beautiful people of Rxyal Crew. At the beautiful clean car of Ross. MK6 Golf. Bagged, obviously. This little cardboard insert, and that is damaged from the meet yesterday. You should go watch the video of the meet, it is well worth it. Yeah, plenty of cool action in there. Mud action. And here we've got another A3, I believe. Yep. Red logo on that. Next to that you've got a little Ford Fiesta. Oh, lost on train. Next to that you've got a Mercedes. I won't pretend to know what it is, we'll have to look at the rear. I do not know my marks. But Yeah, nice little BMW. And next we've got mine, not as dirty as Ross, but I had a little play in the mud as well, as you can tell. Yes, you can see. Good mud extractor. Next to that we've got a little A1. Next to that we've got a little Skoda. Monte Carlo. Next to that we've got a E-Class estate, which you can go follow here. And we've got one more row here at the back. I like to say 5 Series, but I'm not sure.
Oi, that's our cone!
Fucking Subaru drivers for you.
Pay for that now!
Over there.
Move on to this Daewoo. Eco stand. That one, big subwoofer at the back. And next to that, we've got the big Lexus. Chunky car, sounds so good though. Next to this, a little mini. Next to this old Ford Granada 2.8 liter GL. I can read so good. Oh, look at this. Little pea shooter, lovely. And that is it. Bloodies are going to start stalking. But this is the Rxyal Crew stand, not the Subarus, but yeah, all the 3 different rows we've just seen. Have you got the tourney yet? Ooh. But yeah guys, that is it for this one. Basically here I'm going to try to do like cover stands separately to kind of segment the videos. But anyway, go check out Rxyal Crew go check out the car. All the tags in the description if they were not on screen. We'll see how I feel when I'm doing the editing, basically. But yeah, see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.